Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from your Nike account in the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Nike app. Here it opens up in the shop menu. In the top left corner there are three lines, we have to tap on those. Then at the bottom of this list there is settings. We tap on that. Here we have to scroll down in this list, and at the very bottom we find the log out button. We tap on that, and then Nike asks us if we are sure that we want to log out, and then we can proceed by tapping on log out again, and then that's pretty much it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.